Hello students, today we will discuss the topic of software engineering subject and the topic is size estimation techniques. To estimate the size of any software, there are different techniques and basically we will discuss the two techniques, line of code and function point analysis. So what is size estimation? Size estimation means when we code a software, then the coding is in any language, then according to that code we can calculate the size of the software. It means directly we can say that the line of code is the basic method to calculate the size of any software. And the second one is function point analysis. We will discuss today function point analysis technique. What is function point analysis technique? In function point analysis method or technique, function point values is used to estimate size of software project. It means that mathematically function point values are calculated to estimate the size of the software. And mathematically we can write function point as product of two parameters, that is UPF and VAF. Now what is UPF and what is VAF? UPF stands for unadjusted function point count and VAF stands for value adjustment factor. VAF also known as CAF, that is complexity adjustment factor. Adjustment factor. Now, first one is how to calculate UPF. UPF calculation depends upon functional unit values. In function point analysis, there are some functional units and the count of functional units is 5. Means there are 5 functional units and these functional units are categorized into two types. First one is transactional functional unit and second one is data functional unit. Transactional functional types includes 4 functional units. First one is external inputs, second is external outputs, and third one is external inquiries. External input means the application or software whose size we want to estimate is interact with the external users or external other applications. Then the input from that applications or users is known as external inputs, and from the application to the external environment, that is known as external outputs. Inquiries are other queries that are related to that particular application from the external environment. Data functional types includes 2 functional units, internal logical files and external interface files. Now diagrammatically we can understand that how these functional units are placed in a environment, including the application being whose size is being calculated and the other applications or user as the external environment. We can see that EI, EQ or EO make an interaction between the user and the application, and like other application can interact with the application whose size being measured through these functional units. Now the values of these functional units are calculated according to the weight factor. Now the main concern is that how the value is mathematically calculated, and we want to calculate what? UPF. Now UPF depends upon 5 functional units which we already discussed. Now the weight factor is given in a table form, and this table includes the weight factor according to 3 values, categorization: low, average and high. Each functional unit had different values for low weight factor, average weight factor or high weight factor. For example, external inquiries have 3 for low, 4 for average and 6 for high, and like ILF has 7 for low, 10 for average and 15 for high. This is fixed or this is standardized values for weight factor in context with functional units. Now we can calculate UPF. We take an example. Let us software or application includes EI, EO, EQ, EIF and ILF with the unit values like 4 units of EI, 2 unit EO, like this, and having the weight factor value average, high, low, like this. Now how we can calculate UPF? We know that EI has 4 units and average weight factor. So from the table we can see that it has average weight factor 4. So 4 units is calculated with 4 weight factor value, and like 2 into 7 for EO, 2 into 3 for EQ, and 2 into 15 for EIF. ILF, in case of ILF, in case of ILF 2 units with 15. This is for ILF, 2 into 15. Now 15 is what? It is the weight factor for high. So in ILF, weight factor high is 15. So UPF is calculated as 101. After calculation it is 101. Now VF is calculated. VF is value adjustment factor. VF is calculated with the help of a formula, that is 0.65 into 0.1 into summation Fi. Now this is the value that is we want to calculate, and we have to understand that what is summation Fi. Summation Fi is what? It is the, we can say, the summation of influence factors. And influence factors means which software we want to develop. There are some quality or functionality parameters in terms of questions. For example, our software has a backup recovery or not, have a security or not, have any other qualities or not, having the memory storage, extra memory storage or not. So these are some quality factors. These are influence factors actually. So summation Fi, what is I index? I varies from 0 to 14. It means that there are 14 quality factors, influence factors, 14 parameters or influence factors related to the software quality, and functionality. Summation Fi, as I told, I ranges from 0 to 14. So 14 parameters have values according to, now the 14 parameters have the value, and this value is given in the terms of scale, and that scale ranges from 0 to 5, like this, 0 to 5. Now if any factor have no influence, then its scaling value is 0. If it is moderate, then 2. If it is essential, then 5. Like this it is categorized. Now take an example. We add some other extra factors in the previous example, that the software has influence factors, as we know that there are 14 factors. Suppose 9 factors are having average rating and other 5 have essential rating. Now we know that there are 14, 9 and 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 has average and 5 have essential rating. 9 factor have average, then 9 have average means 9 into 3, and 5 have essential means 5, so 5 into 5. So we can calculate it as VF equal to 0.65 plus 0.01. Summation Fi is, now summation Fi is what? 9 into 3 and 5 into 5, that is 52. Now put the value of summation Fi in the formula. VF 0.65, 0.01 into 52, that is 0.338, and FP, but UPF into VF, that is 101 into 0.338, that is 34.138. So FP value is 34.138, and in the next lecture we discuss the line of code size estimation technique. Thank you.